Guys, so today I'm going to review a dancing O. This dancing O can it dance, and when you press the button on the leg, it will spin and reverse and whatever things that they say here. I think I really like this toy because it's really softy. So let's open this up. Just opened this toy and I think I really like it, and O has this amazing like ear kind of thing, and when you press the button on the leg, it actually spins. Watch it. And it has 3 different songs as what the box says. And I think I would rate it 10 out of 8, because the only thing I don't like about this toy is that the eyes and the mouth does not really move, and it's just a stuffed toy, so it's okay. I still think it's nice, but they should probably do more stuff about this toy, because this toy was pretty expensive over a lot. And let's try it again. And yeah, that's it. Also, if you guys want me to review a same toy, but that's just like a talking O, and this is a dancing O. If you want me to review the talking O, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, that's it for this video. Bye-bye.